Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed another Starline Stealth, which is a Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser, paired with an app-based tracking system that has no annual subscriptions. So the way the Immobiliser protects your vehicle is if the customer's phone's paired up, turn on the ignition, we'll get a melody. There we go, and we can start the vehicle. If the customer's phone's out of range, so we'll just turn their Bluetooth off to demonstrate that. So the customer's Bluetooth off, the phone's not connected, and someone turns up, obviously with a cloned key, tries to attack the vehicle, tries to take it, the vehicle simply won't start. Also, if the customer's out one day, obviously they don't have their phone on them or their phone's gone dead and they need to get home, they can use a push sequence on the steering wheel. So to do that is ignition on, pop the disarm code in, which we've set simple at 1, 2, 3. Got our melody. Now the vehicle will start. If the customer wants to change the code to obviously something a little bit more harder to guess, obviously don't want it to be as simple as a single button 3 times. This is how you change the code. So first the system has to be disarmed. So 1, 2, 3 will receive our disarm tone. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition. We receive 5 bleeps, and now this is ready to learn. So we'll just change it to, we'll wait for a confirmation. Once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. We should get the same confirmation. There we go, now we can turn the ignition off. So we'll give it about 10 seconds and then we'll test the new code. We'll show you that that works and the vehicle then starts. It's been about 10 seconds, the system's armed, so it won't start. Ignition on, new code 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh. So ignition on, 1, 2, 1, 2. Melody, vehicle starts. If they want to take this vehicle for a service, take it back to Mercedes, and obviously don't want to disclose the code to them or give them the customer's phone, it can be put into service mode, so the vehicle will act as if there's no Immobiliser fitted. So this can be done either through the app or through the buttons. So with the app, it's as simple as press and hold on the green circle, it will spin round and go to yellow. When it goes yellow, we'll release and get 2 bleeps. There we go, so this is now a normal car. So this will start up with no PIN code and can obviously be serviced and worked on without a PIN code or a phone. When you get it back, go into the app, press and hold on the yellow circle, it will spin round. When it goes to green, release. We've got our 2 bleeps and it's protected again. If the customer doesn't have their phone on them, what they can do is ignition on, disarm through the push sequence, get their melody. Now press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, 2 bleeps. There we go, we've got our 2 bleeps. So this is now in service mode. As you can see, the app's updated. When they get the car back from service, all they've got to do, ignition on, put their disarm code in, you'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, and the app's gone back to green. And the vehicle's protected again. Also for this vehicle, as I said, we've done the Starline Stealth, which gives you app-based, no subscription tracking, which may be used if the vehicle ever gets lifted and they try and steal it in that way. Once again, if you want to get a Starline Stealth fitted to your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.